Did you know the average home in the US sells in just 54 days? But that's only if everything goes smoothly. And let's be honest, when you're a first time seller, smooth can feel like a fairy tale. Stick around because I'm going to break down exactly how to navigate the home selling process like a seasoned pro, even if this is your first rodeo. Hi, I'm Erica McClain, a Chicago area realtor with over 25 years of experience helping homeowners, especially first timers, sell with confidence and clarity. In today's video, we're going to dive into the home selling journey from start to sold so you can avoid rookie mistakes and maximize your return. So let's get into it. Selling your first home can feel like juggling flaming swords in the dark. You're probably wondering things like, how do I even know what my home is worth? Should I fix things up or sell as is? What if I price it wrong and it sits on the market forever? And oh boy, how do I emotionally detach from a place I've made memories in? These are all real concerns. First time sellers often feel overwhelmed trying to make all the right decisions without a roadmap. And to make matters more stressful, every friend and family member suddenly becomes a real estate expert. Let's walk through the process step by step. Step one, get your home ready. Declutter, deep clean, and tackle those little repairs. Remember, buyers aren't just looking for a house, they're shopping for a feeling. You want your home to feel inviting and well cared for. Step two, hire the right agent. I'll give you a hint, it's me. Seriously, though, having an experienced agent makes all the difference. Someone who knows your market, negotiates hard on your behalf, and walks you through the whole process with clarity and calm. Step three, pricing strategy. This is huge. Price it too high and it scares off buyers. Too low and you leave money on the table. I use data, neighborhood trends, and timing to price it right from the start. Step four, marketing matters. I'm talking professional photos, social media buzz. It's not 2005 anymore. Putting it in the MLS is just not enough. Step five, know the market. Is it a seller's market, a buyer's market? What's inventory like in your area? All of these things influence timing, offers, and negotiations. Let me share a quick story. I recently worked with the first time seller, Maria, over in Elmwood Park. She had inherited her childhood home and wasn't sure where to begin. It was an emotional process. She grew up there and now she was preparing to let it go. The house needed some updates, but she didn't have the time or budget for a full renovation. So we focused on strategic staging, removing certain personal items, repainting a few rooms, and adding a few pieces of neutral decor. I helped her price it competitively, marketed it aggressively online, and within just 2 weeks, she had multiple offers on the table. She walked away with more than she had expected and zero regrets. The key? She trusted the process and leaned on my guidance every step of the way. So let's recap. Prepare your home, choose a trusted agent, nail your pricing, market it like a boss, know your market dynamics, and don't go it alone. If you've sold a home before, especially your first one, I'd love to hear your experience in the comments. And if you're getting ready to sell and want more tips like this, check out my other videos on pricing strategies, staging, and the biggest mistakes sellers make. Yes, there's a whole playlist. If you're thinking about selling, schedule a free consultation or just drop a question below. I actually read and respond to all of them. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you'll be back for another video.